You can make this awesome lobster in just a few simple steps with pipe cleaners, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need 9 red pipe cleaners, thick white craft glue, and googly eyes. Start by making the lobster claws. Fold 1 red pipe cleaner in half. Then fold each end into the middle of the folded pipe cleaner. Fold it in half so that the ends are on the inside, and then bend the claws inward. Do the same thing with the second pipe cleaner to make the other claw. Bend another pipe cleaner in half. Place 1 claw in between the bend of the pipe cleaner. Twist it to hold it in place, and then loosely twist down the length of the pipe cleaner. Add the other claw on the other side and wrap each end of the pipe cleaner around it to hold it in place. Put the claws aside and begin making the body of the lobster. Fold another pipe cleaner in half and about 2 inches down from the end. Hold another pipe cleaner up against the 2 ends and wrap it around in a bundle, 1 coil right on top of the other. This will make the head of the lobster. With another pipe cleaner, attach the claws. So hold the claws in the middle, right underneath the head, and then wrap the pipe cleaner around diagonally, one side and then the other, to hold the claws in place. You can bend the claws up toward the head. Now we're going to construct the rest of the body of the lobster. So hold a pipe cleaner up against the last part that you did and begin wrapping it around, and you're going to wrap it loosely and put 1 coil kind of on top of the other to make the thick body part right underneath the claws. Use a few more pipe cleaners to bundle around to finish the body, and then start to narrow down as you get to the tail. When you're getting toward the end, leave about 1.5 to 2 inches free, and then form that loop into a lobster tail by pulling out the sides and pressing down in the middle. The last thing is to put eyes on your lobster. Use some thick white craft glue. Set them in place. Let them dry, and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for other pipe cleaner ideas and other crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.